Morning. It's another day working on the cabin. Got a little cold. I got up about 5 a.m. this morning and headed off to Menards to get some supplies before the rest of the guys are ready. It was so foggy I could barely see, and man, what a difference a couple weeks makes. The last time we were here, it was like 100 every day, and on this trip this morning was 43 degrees just a few weeks later. It's a welcome change. I'll take it, but it is, considering gloves this morning. I got my hood up. Man, what a big difference. Anyways, let's go inside. I'll show you where we're at. So yesterday we got quite a bit of trim done. We got all the rest of this paneling finished up. That was in the last video you guys saw. And we trimmed several of the doors and windows. So today I think Mike is gonna work on this big double window. We're gonna trim it with some barnwood. That'll look super cool. We're gonna get another coat of paint on the kitchen because it's only got one. Then we can finish trimming that out. And I've got something cool in this corner. We are gonna install a non-electric pellet stove. And we gotta flash it through the roof. So we've gotta get that done today because George is going to be moving on and he's the roofing expert. So I think if we can get this window trimmed and this paint done and get the stove in, a little bit more trim, and that'll be a pretty good day for today. We better get started. Fits.
I think it's good.
Nailed it. It's gonna look crooked. I just got a little lunch, and Mike's about done trimming these windows. I am pretty well done with the bunk bed and the queen bed below it. I think George and Ray are going to get the pellet stove out of the container, and we'll try and get that installed here this afternoon. Let's get to it. Whoa. Really was 98 1/8. What choice do we have? I feel like it's getting nailed.
That fucking looks good.
Yeah. Push that middle in. Nice. Fencing away. Green one. Enough for the girls I go out with. The old tilt-a-whirl. Come up and smash her down. Okay. Need to go down, or is it good?
It's good.
Yeah, give her away. Perfect. Perfect-ish. Around my blankets. Right, we just put on his clothes. All right, well, it was a good day today. We got much more than I thought we would done. And we got the bar done. I don't know how much footage I got of it, but anyways, George, you're all done with the wood stove?
Wood stove's done.
We'll take a closer look at the pellet stove sometime when we're going to use it, but it's a little hot for hooking up the pellet stove. We even got some tiki lights hooked up on the deck. We got our bar and our counter back there and the fridge in place, so...
Got the hitch on? Terrific.
Oh yeah, we got the hitch on the Ranger. We'll take a look at that Ranger sometime too, because I keep talking about it, but never showing it on video. We got plenty today. Anyways, George?
Goodbye from Kentucky.
All right, you got it right this time. We'll see ya.
Hey, Izzy. Say goodbye.